Hey, what's going on, guys? SargeantsTechTips. Welcome to another video on the channel. Now, in today's video, I'm going to be showing you how to install Firefox on Windows 11 in 2026. Very simple task. All you got to do is go to Microsoft Edge or your browser of choice if you're changing browsers. Look up Firefox, go to the first link that pops up, and go ahead and click Download Firefox. Once it's done, it's going to bring up the screen here where to save it. You can save it anywhere you want. I would just save it to the Downloads folder. Click Save, and it's going to pop up here on the top right. Double-click it. The UAC is going to pop up. You can go ahead and click Yes. Then it's going to go ahead and install it. You can close your old browser or Microsoft Edge. And once you're done, Firefox is going to open and ask if you want to do all this cool stuff, such as set it as your default browser, pin it to your taskbar. We can go ahead and click yes. It'll also allow you to sync stuff from any of your other browsers you have installed. Oh yeah, I forgot. You will have to click set default on here. And if you do want all these to be Firefox, you will have to go through here and click Firefox set default. It's a really annoying thing with Windows 11. I'm not really sure why they did it that way, but it is basically set. And then you can also import stuff from your previous browser, but we're not going to do that. You can also what you will use it for, but I'm just going to skip all this because they don't need to know that. You can also sign in and sign up. I use Firefox daily, and the sync actually works really well. It also syncs these tiles here, so if you really like the tiles, if you really like these, you can just log in and it will sync them for you, and you don't have to worry about them being incorrectly synced between devices, which is one thing I love about Firefox. Anyway, guys, that's how you install Firefox in 2026. Like the video if you liked it, dislike if you thought it sucked, subscribe to the channel if you guys have not done so already. Let me know what you guys want to see for future tutorials or tips and tricks, or just videos in general on tech. Also, definitely share this video with a friend if they are trying to figure out how to install Firefox and they're not sure how to do so. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you guys next video, and peace out.